Based on the latest news, here is a summary of the current situation regarding the US-India tariff dispute. Recent escalation and tariffs. On August 27, the US imposed an additional 25% tariff on a range of Indian goods, bringing the total duty to 50%. This action was taken in response to India's continued purchases of Russian oil and defense equipment. This new tariff regime is expected to significantly impact key Indian export sectors, including textiles, gems and jewelry, shrimp and leather goods. Diplomatic and economic responses. India's Trade Minister Piyush Goyal stated that New Delhi is holding talks with the US on a bilateral trade deal. However, he noted that the new tariffs have made it difficult to finalize dates for official level discussions. The Indian government is reportedly not planning any immediate retaliatory tariffs. Instead, it is focusing on measures to mitigate the impact on its exporters, such as financial assistance and efforts to diversify into new markets like China, Latin America, and the Middle East. In a separate but related development, India has requested consultations at the World Trade Organization, WTO, to challenge the US 50% tariffs on copper imports, arguing they are an unnotified safeguard measure. Political commentary and broader context. US President Donald Trump has stated that India has offered to cut its tariffs to nothing, but he claims it's getting late. He has characterized the US-India trade relationship as a totally one-sided disaster and has also criticized India's energy and defense ties with Russia. Some US commentators, including former National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan, have warned that the tariff war risks pushing India closer to China and Russia. Amidst the tensions, a meeting between Prime Minister Modi and Russian President Vladimir Putin underscored India's continued strategic relationship with Russia. This has been interpreted by some as a move to assert India's strategic autonomy in response to US